So with initializing like a new project,
Hmm.
so you would start on cursor, right? Like, and then you'd go on to, was it file and then recent?
Yep,
So like this is the one that I tried to like initiate myself.
yep.
So
And what
I've
do the
got
files look like?
nothing in there.
Okay, cool. So you always start on GitHub first,
Yeah,
is the first one. So did you make a GitHub for this ethical art
yes.
website?
Yeah, so I've got it here.
Okay, great. So I
And
don't actually use the desktop version of GitHub, by the way. I think
oh,
sometimes it'll ask you to set it up on the
okay.
desktop, which is probably why you've got it. But that's fine.
Okay.
Either one's fine. So you just want to grab the link.
The link.
Oh, you can either grab the URL or you can grab that
Oh, just
that
here.
link here. Yep.
Okay, sweet. And then go into cursor.
Yep. Go to cursor.
Yep.
And then what I like to do, the first step is I'm making a new website. Can you create a what's called a README file? So I should put that in there as well. So
A read me.
README file. It's kind of what Cursor will use sometimes to reference like what the website is about.
Okay. So
Yeah,
it's like,
it's
is it spelled like that? Like read me?
yeah, it'll know what it is. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then
And then just put and then set up my Git and then copy the link in.
copy the link and then say set up my project or something.
Yeah. And you can say initialize my project or my project.
Project. Okay, cool. And then that should be fine.
Yep, that'll be fine.
All right. Dude, if this works, I swear to God,
Well, let's see.
I can't get it to work.
Yeah, yeah, I think this will work.
Great. And then from here, I can just keep following the video and we should be sweet. Just said push to GitHub when the empty repo is ready on GitHub.
So did it add the file in your project? So if you go to the files on the left, read me. Okay, great.
Oh,
Cool.
sweet.
So it set it up, which is good.
Cool. And then so I could just keep following along with the school video and it should be all good to go.
What do you think happened last time?
I can't remember. Maybe is there a way to see like the history of the chat?
Yeah, there is. You can see, yeah, the chat history there. And then you can go to the last one.
Oh, here we go.
So adding GitHub host key into trying.
I think it was because I didn't have that thing set up, which you've just set up for me in the terminal.
The NPM thing. Maybe,
Yeah.
but I think it might also have been just because the project was empty. Like if it doesn't have that README file or there's no files for it to add,
Uh,
it kind of can get confused.
right. Okay, that's probably it then. Okay.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
is something worth mentioning to people as well. Like you need
Okay.
some sort of initial file, and
Yeah.
then yeah, once you've got that, you should be able to just start building it.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Gotcha. Awesome.
Sweet.
So yeah. All right. I'll keep going on my website then.